Italia 2024.
Lemons.
Lemon boy.
Celebrating all things Italian automotive, we find ourselves here in Brands Hatch to bear witness to an eclectic collection of pure Italian car culture. Truly unique in as much as finding yourself displaying your humble pride and joy alongside real thoroughbred exotica. Let's go. Blessed with one of the hottest days of the year, we find ourselves almost transported to Italy with a spectacular range of what must be over 1,000 cars on display. We'll first go out for a good scout for what's about before going to watch some racing. Before I stop the narration and let the cars do the talking, I feel compelled to mention that I found myself gawping equally at the common cars and the premium brands. There's something to be said for that. Incomparable in a game of top trumps, but the intangibles are very much present, and it warms me to see so many other enthusiasts wandering around all the clubs with the same frame of mind. Let's get into it. Leave a comment if you spot your motor.
It's like
Flock of Vespas.
yeah, it's like a flock of Vespas, isn't it?
Which one's your favourite? Probably this one.
Oh, I can't answer that, can I?
Yeah, no, this one.
When was the last time you saw one of them? You have to guess what car it is for the engine, and then you zoom out to reveal. There's a I like that this show actually sort of invited everyone. In that respect, I think it's going to be one. It's got everything, isn't it? Shops, bikes, cars, Italian cars, girls, life. We've got to go back to the Alfas stand now because this is where it's at. This is the real cars. This is for the real ones. You know. It's in the Bar Festival, the 595 Festival. Everybody knows that. No, it's by far the biggest stand, and I think that stands for a reason, doesn't it?
So,
Julia, what do you think of your first time at a car show?
I feel like I'm in Italy.
Do you?
You're so good. And the weather is good.
That's the utmost compliment for
The weather is
Italian
so
car
nice.
festival ever, isn't it? We're in the UK. I know, it's ridiculous.
That's the only thing that tells me we're in the UK.
Well, they've got some interesting ones like you would not normally pick up, like
Yeah.
that's quite interesting.
It's quite cool.
Right, let's head over to the track and see what's going on. Throughout the day there's various championships happening, and on this day they're mostly Italian. I have to say, it's good to see the exotics out on the track being thrashed around as what they're made for. Between racing, there's also a terrific display from the Formula 1 cars. made it to the end of the day. Nearly. Everyone's been here just to show their cars. And there's a whole day of fun to be had.
Made progress initially.
To conclude, the Italian car owners take to the track and do a quick lap of honour before heading home.
Porca puttana! Oh, you did put it on sport mode?
Yeah, that's me popping and banging, and I do not apologise. I know it's childish, but I love it.